This is the Arrowhead Brass PK8004LK or loose key stem assembly for the 450 series faucets. Now this is for a 4-inch wall thickness faucet. Now if we get this out of the packaging here, you can see it'll come with a list of installation instructions here, as well as the complete stem. Now when measuring these stems, so if you're looking for a replacement or you just want to know like the total length of the stem that's in your faucets, you want to make sure that you're measuring from tip to tip of the stem. So you want to be measuring from the end of this screw here to the tip here where the handle, or in this case the loose key, would mount to it. So if we lay this here, looking perfect. So we're measuring from tip to tip. As you can see here, you can see this one measures right at about 8 inches. We can lay it, get it up here a little bit closer. So it measures right at about 8 inches. Once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK8004LK stem assembly.